L-iktar ħaġa importanti tal-kanċer tal-kolon huwa li bil-prevenzjoni b'dan li qed inniedu nistgħu jekk noħduh b'serjetà kbira f'pajjiżna niredikaw assolutament din il-kundizzjoni f'dawk l-etajiet u allura hija xi ħaġa rridu noħduha b'serjetà kbira. Huwa importanti allura li kull min jiġi mistieden ovvjament jipparteċipa.
It starts with an invitation. We send an invitation asking people if they'd like to receive a kit. And then the kit, if they reply that they would like a kit, the kit is then sent out to them or provided to them through some other means. And the subject then does the test at home. It's a perfectly simple test which has been extensively used throughout Europe. It's been well validated. The subject then sends the kit or takes it to the testing center, which, as we said, will be at Mater Dei Hospital. And then the result comes back to the screening hub, the screening center.